alone. Leave me alone now. I am ready to kill everybody and kill myself.
Hey! Hey, look, one, please. Let's go home. I've told you this is not how to fight this. Eh? If you kill anyone now, you go to prison, and they will take the land.
I am ready for that.
No, baby, Mama is right. She's right. Look at her, she has been talking to you since. Let's go home.
Mama, I need to go and finish the work I was doing.
Let
me go and finish my work now.
Leave it, I'll go and get your hand cutlass for you.
Yes, go, pick up. Also, is it one? Also.
Mama, let me go and finish the work I was doing now.
Biko. Oh, Odogu. Namo, let's go home. Biko.
Baby, listen to your mother.
See,
just listen to your mother, please. Eh?
Yes, Nam. Biko.
Baby, you say I should go.
Yes, let's go, please.
Biko. Odogu Kibo, Odogu Mam.
I'm not coming to be for Mama. I'm not coming to be for these people.
Nam.
It's okay.
They have not had the last of it.
As soon as I go in now, I'll call Osondo and tell him I'm coming, so that they'll prepare things for me to bounce back to my business. And once I make my huge money, guess the first thing I'll do?
Well, I don't know. Tell me.
Once I make my first money...
Food is ready, Mama is calling.
Okay, tell her I'm coming.
Why not come in now and eat? You need to back.
I said I'm coming!
You're a very wicked person. You're wicked.
This girl. You're not a good somebody. Good.
You know what? Just go in and eat, okay? I'll leave now. But I'll come back later in the evening so that we can talk.
Sure.
I don't want to start dragging anything with anybody. I'll see you later.
Today, Abby.
Yes, today now. Sure. Started though. Don't start.
You.
You want to make me? I'll see you later in the evening. Go in and eat though.
Alright, baby. I'll
do fine.
Are you now the only baby? You are the food now, Abby? Sokopom ni look and gafe. Every time food, that's the only thing you know. Come and eat. That's the bro. Look at him. Get him arrested. Let this. You called police for me? Yes, I did. You called police for me? Get this right away. The war has just started.
No.
You called police for me? Yes, I did. You have declared war. A war. Don't worry. You will be in the cell and fight that war.
It's not war. Why
you will fight the war inside the cell. You have your friends there. They will fight with you there. Yes.
Uncle, please. Let's just talk about this. You don't need to call in the police. Please, I'm begging.
Officer, what are people waiting for? Get this thing away.
Officer, we can talk about this, please.
Listen, young man.
Mama.
You're under arrest for illegal possession of firearms and you have the right to remain silent.
Yes.
If you do or say here, we be held against you as evidence in the court of law.
Yes.
You have the right to an attorney. If you don't have one, the state will provide you.
Move. Officer, take him away.
No.
Move. He will be in cell. We share the whole land.
Who there?
Yes.
Who there? Get a camera. Who there? Get a camera. Who there? What have I done to you there?
If not gonna follow you one, I get them jabrata. No baby, no.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.